National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Northport Light, Wisconsin, until 12:30 a.m. At 11:45 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 13 nautical miles east of Port Washington, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee